Looking for emails on Yellow Pages. Guys, I've got a tool that has been built. The link is down below and it allows you to get thousands of emails in seconds. I'll show you how to export it as well, so let's get straight in. So guys, the first thing you want to do is make sure the extension's pinned at the top. Go and open that up, okay? Then you're going to type in the keyword. So what is it we're looking for today? We're looking for electricians, all right? And then you type in the locations you want to check. Now guys, you can have more than one location, all right? Just make sure it's written on one line at a time, and then simply click start. That is all you got to do. Yes, it's not a trick. It's going to open up a new browser for you. Open up the extension. You can see what's happening. And it's going to go through the whole of the Yellow Pages site, looking for all the electricians in the places that you've chosen. Guys, you can choose whatever places you want. All right, just make sure they're on a single line each. Once this goes all the way through, you're going to see we've got hundreds and hundreds of different leads. Now, guys, we are extracting all of the leads here. Super easy. You're going to get all the information. I'm going to show you how to put it on a Google Sheet so you can have this ready for you. Now, what you do with these leads is your own choice. Okay, whether you run campaigns or whether you just share it with someone, it's completely up to you. So guys, what we want to do is click the export button, okay? Export CSV. And you're going to click the first one, which is download CSV. That's going to download to your computer. Simply drag that into a Google Drive folder, an empty one so you don't get confused. Drag it in there and open it up. Once you open it up, I need you to pay attention. Open it up with Google Sheets, okay? If you don't, you'll still have the information, but it won't be laid out as beautifully as I'm about to show you. Once you've uploaded it and it's there, look at that. You've got all of the electricians and all the places that you search. Guys, this is so easy, all right? I can't explain to you how well this tool does. Now, if you're looking for the phone numbers, right, you just simply go up there and have a look. If you're looking for the emails, go and have a look. We can actually count these to give you an example of how quick this can be done. Now, if you want to buy the Yellow Pages Scraper, go over to leads-sniper.com, go to products, go all the way down to Yellow Pages Scraper, and you'll see a new tab open up. This has got all the information about what it is you're purchasing. Scroll down. It will show you exactly what it will extract so you can have a clear view of exactly what's going on, even if you haven't watched the videos related to this. Now, scroll all the way down past the videos, past everything, past the sheets, until you get to the bit that says, which subscription would you like to choose? Now, you can pay a one-time access fee of $149 to get the starter pack. That'll get you extensions for one installation total, or you can pay $267 with a massive saving for 5 extension installations. That is the most popular pack, that one-time fee. But if you're like me and you want to be absolutely efficient with this, pay $389 one time. It's just one time, not monthly, and you're going to save hundreds of dollars getting extensions for 10 installations. Click the buy now on whatever package you suitable. If you want to just quickly try it for free, download the free version at the bottom there where it says version 0.1.2. There you go, guys. Get started with that tool if you haven't with that link down below, but please do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button at the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.